While the term trailer queen is often derogatory, there's a lot of times it actually makes sense to trailer your car. If you're going long distance, you're going to the track and worried about something breaking, a trailer is nice insurance to have. If you have an S550 Mustang and need to trailer your car, it's an excellent way to tie it down, and that's using the Ford Performance Tie Down Kit. Today, we're going to show you how to install it. This Ford Performance Tie-Down Kit is going to fit all 2015 through 2019 Mustangs. It was originally found in the Cobra Jet Mustangs. These are great as they're made of heavy-duty sturdy steel and use factory holes in the car and allow you to tie down the car on a trailer or on the dyno. The installation is very simple, and today we're going to show you how to install them on our 2018 Orange Fury Mustang. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 13mm socket, 15mm socket, and a torque wrench. The installation for the passenger and driver side is exactly the same. We're going to do the driver's side and start with the front. You remove these two factory bolts in the front section here. All right, so you hold the bracket up. Make sure to line it up with the included hardware. Just make sure everything goes in properly. And this, you have a little bit of adjustment here to get it exactly where you want it. Before we actually put it in there, we're going to remove the hardware and install some blue Loctite. And we'll move on to the rears. For the rear hooks, it's going to use these two factory holes here. These won't have any hardware in them. Just take this applied hardware, again, just thread it in. We're going to put some Loctite on and bolt them in place. Now we're going to go back and torque everything to 55 foot-pound. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side and your installation is finished. Because of the design of the Ford Performance tie-downs, they will not work with jacking rails or the Steeda IRS braces. The Ford Performance tie-downs were a very easy installation, and the next time this car goes anywhere on the trailer or needs to go to the dyno, it's much easier to strap it down as well. The installation is very straightforward as you saw. This is no more than maybe half an hour, 45 minutes. We're back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.